Hello lovelies! Hey guys, so really quickly before this video starts, I know that this isn't the box that's supposed to be next. The reason that they're out of order is actually because my hard drive that had a lot of my videos on it broke. I'll do a video talking about that a bit more, but it broke and I lost a whole lot of recordings, including 2 spooky boxes, so this one is way too early. I have no idea at this point if we're going to get that footage back. So if we do, it just means they'll be a bit out of order. If we don't, unfortunately it means those unboxings are gone, which is absolutely heartbreaking. But yeah, just so no one's confused, that's why this is coming out before the other ones that technically should be out first. I'm really sorry about that, but I hope you enjoy the video anyway. I'm going to get a bloody, like, a different colored throw for the back of this sofa or something, because like I feel like I just blend in and it's just a face. But it is time for another spooky box unboxing. Another, like, 2 came at the same time again. So, but I refuse. I flat out, I was like, oh, we'll just do like a double unboxing. I'm like, no! Because like every box on my channel, it has its own unboxing. And it's all nice and neat in my playlist. And if someone wants to see one specific box, they just go to that video. And so I can't cope with the thought of double unboxings. It's not for me. I can't do it. But this is the Abominable box, and Jake actually spilt some water and like it got wet and soaked through, but I kind of like shoved my finger in here to feel it and it seems like whatever's on the bottom is plastic, so hopefully nothing's been destroyed, because if it has I will be so sad. But let's open it up anyway. Oop, oop, oop. Ooh, ooh, okay. So we have, oh no, right, I never remember to read these anymore. I think I forgot in my last video. Okay, so, well, first of all, look at this. Oh wait, what is it? Oh! I thought it was a print, it's not. Oh, I see! That's so cute. Okay, so we have this, which is gingerbread house cookie cutters, and it's like little houses for like your mugs of like hot chocolate. There's like a picture of how you do it here. You see, it's like a little house. And yeah, it gives instructions and stuff, and then there are the cutters to make the ships. That's such a cute little idea. And I could use these like outside of Christmas anyway, because then I can just make like little haunted mansions for the top of my hot chocolate and stuff. Speaking of sugar, we have our lollipop, and it is a nice Christmas one. This is obviously meant to be the Christmas box, but I think it arrived like a week or so ago. Oh, well, depending on when I put this up. It arrived like early January, I think, for me. But yeah, we have a little red and green stripy white and lollipop. It's a lollipop. Oh my god, this is cute. Oh, I love this. This is a little pin. Oh, I have it upside down. And it's like a cute little sweater. And it has like a little star, or either stars or snowflakes, and then bats on it. And it says, time to hibernate. I love it. It's so cute. And I can put that off my pin board that I have now. Oh, we have our little bracelet charm. It's like we have like the little black drop and then the red drop. It's like one of those, but come on, but it's like a little dark blue one. This is cute, but I don't think I'm gonna put it on my bracelet. I might find like another use for it, just because like I feel like this blue, like this dark sort of like sapphire blue, really clash with the little red one and just like the whole color scheme I'm going for, so I'll find another use for that. I don't think this will go on my bracelet. We have a box, and in that box there lives, oh, a cute little necklace. It just has like little different charms on it. So it's like a snowflake, a little like a few different little crystally things, all attached to this little hoop here. So yeah, you just hang that. That's cute. Oh, I think these might be Christmas tree decorations. Oh well. I know like sometimes whenever it comes to like these subscription boxes, like if there's a manufacturing delay, then there's just literally nothing you can do. You know, if there's things that have been ordered for the box and then the factory who's making them doesn't get them done on time, which unfortunately sometimes happens. Like even like the factory that does my merch sometimes is like really slow with getting stuff out, and it makes me really mad, and I always yell at them. Like I flip out whenever they don't get things out to people on time. So yeah, like, you know, it can happen sometimes, but yeah, I mean, I guess there's some of these that I could use even outside of Christmas. So like, hold on. So there is a, like this one, and that says Festive Fears. This one says Haunted Holidays. And this one says Merry Cryptmas, which I think is really cute. So I wouldn't really be able to use these right now, but there is one that just says RIP, and they're all glittery, which is cute. This one just says RIP, so I could use that. And then there are 2 each of these nice like white glittery skull and bone ones, so I could use those. So I might use those like up in my attic when it's eventually done. Speaking of which, stay tuned to the very end of the video if you want to find out how you can help me in my quest for a nice attic office. It'll be so nice up there when it's done. Like I'd like to have like a, because whenever that's done I don't need to get a backdrop for this because I'll have a better recording space anyway and you'll actually be able to see me. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to find out how to help. But yeah, so we've got these little ornaments and okay, this seems to be the last thing. I don't know what it is yet, but it looks really cute and I'm excited. What are you? Oh yes! This entire box just leveled up. It is a scarf with cute little skulls. Look at it, little tassely bottom. Oh, that's nice. I enjoy that. And nothing in the box was destroyed. What is this? Is this just a calendar? Yeah, it came with like a little calendar of some sort. This got like a little bit wet at the bottom, but not enough to really damage it or anything. But yeah, it comes with this little calendar. So yeah, this is really cute. I'm always looking for more cute scarves. Where's the thing? I'm gonna remember. Okay, so that was everything in the box. Let me see. So custom made haunted holiday tree decorations, yes. Custom made little skull knitted scarf, yes. Custom made scully snowflake pendant. Does that have skulls on it? I don't really understand how this is scully. Unless that's either a misprint or my one is missing something. But I see nothing scully. There is just, oh, okay. Okay, it's subtle, but I see it now. Okay, here we go. If you look right in the very center, can you see? There's like a very sneaky little skull. Gingerbread house cookie cutter set. Yes, that, I thought that was very cute. Is my phone making noise somewhere? Yes, very cute. 2018 calendar print. Yep, we got that. Hibernate sweater pin. Yes, I really love that. Blue drop charm. Yep, we got that. And the lollipop. Yes. Okay, cool. So this definitely wasn't like my favorite box. Like, you know, like there's a lot of stuff that like, you know, I'm not crazy about, but I do absolutely love the scarf. And I think the pin is really cute. I'm excited to make the little houses as well. So there's definitely some things I love. It's not my favorite, but I did enjoy it anyway. So I had fun. I'm excited for the next box because I think that is the Witch's Cottage box. So I don't know if I want to unbox that today as well or do it like on a day when I'm dressed different, but it's there, you know? I will see. But yes, I am definitely like this scarf definitely kind of made it. It's like really nice. It's like double layered from what I can feel like. So it's like nice and thick and like warm. So alrighty, that is the end. Oh, so yes, with the attic, if you want to help, there is a link down in the description to an app. And like, long story short, if you download that app, I get points that can go towards me earning money that I am going to use to do at my attic, so I can save up all my points. I've also put a link below that to like a Tumblr post I made kind of explaining the app, so if you want to know in more detail in my words what it is, that you can check there. It's basically, it's like a step counter app that counts your steps and then you can earn points to buy things with by walking, if you get what I mean. So I've put a like big old long post in there for me talking about that. But yeah, so if you download that app, then I can hopefully start earning money towards the attic. I think I've got like 400 people so far and I need like 4,000 people to really make enough to make a dent, so that'll be fun. But yeah, if you want to help out, check that out. And obviously like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're new. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you do subscribe, hit that little bell so you get notifications so you know when my videos come out. And check out my Patreon because YouTube keeps screwing over its creators and it's super hard to earn money on this platform now. So Patreon keeps me going and stops me from starving to death and not having a house. So if you could check the description below and have a look at my Patreon, I would very much appreciate that. That is everything. I will see you next time, lovelies. Goodbye.